Top 8.
Go further. Now go back and go again. Go. It's a discipline. Go further. It's pride. Now go back. And passion. And go again. In movement. Go. It's hours. Go further. Days. Now go back. Months. And go again. Years. Where you go your own way. Go further towards your goals. Then go back to your past hopes. And go again to make them your future.
Top 7. Power reserve 50 hours. Atom shape round. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog clasp buckle. Water resistant depth is 100 meters. Top 6. Case diameter 44 millimeters. Frequency is 36,000 VPH. Power reserve is 50 hours. Water resistance depth is 100 meters. Top 5. Atom shape round. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Clasp titanium deployment. Case material titanium. Band material titanium. Band color silver, dial color grey skeleton. Bezel material titanium. Movement automatic. Case diameter 44 millimeters. Water resistant depth is 100 meters. Top 4. Atom shape round. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Clasp deployment clasp. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 36 millimeters. Band material stainless steel. Band color silver, dial color midnight blue. Bezel material stainless steel set with diamonds. Water resistant depth is 100 meters. Top 3. Atom shape round. Dial window material type scratch resistant sapphire. Display type analog. Clasp tang buckle, case diameter 45 millimeters, case thickness 14.25 millimeters, band material leather, band color brown, dial color black, bezel material fixed, movement automatic watch, water resistant depth is 100 meters, top 2 atom shape round, dial window material tab anti-reflective sapphire, display tab analog, class push button deployment class, case material titanium, case diameter 41 millimeters, case thickness 9.45 millimeters, band material leather, band color brown, dial color skeleton, bezel material 18K rose gold, water resistant depth is 100 meters, top 1 dial window material tab scratch resistant sapphire, display tab analog,